Okay, so uh, string methods is method is means what? A string functionalities or behaviors. So what is the behavior? Search, uh, search, like you have to like slice and reverse order, like clockwise, anti-clockwise, or clockwise slicing and everything. So those are all the string methods. So we need to find the string and we need to replace. So these are all the string methods. So same thing we have a string search methods. So we'll close all those things, right click. So index a.html and the doc control s, the index search method. Okay, right click, control s, right click, open it the live server. Okay, so now it is running. So now, so we want to write some of this string search method. So for that, let mm, text equals to Bangalore is a IT hub. Mm, okay, so now what I want to do, I want to print this one. How to print this one? So what is the method? Document is an object, write is a method, open close brace and a txt. So control s, if you just go to the browser, the sorry, Bangalore is the IT, Bangalore is IT hub. Okay, text is okay. So this is how it is printing. Okay, so now what happens? Now we are going to be print this one. So here what we are going to do. So I want to find the index of a specific location. Okay, the first method will come the index of. So this is the text I am printing, but I want to go here. Let x equals to text dot index of bracket. So here we are going to be find the specific location of the text. Okay, so text dot index of it. So I want to find the index of the it, so that's why text dot index of it. So here it is x is going to be print the value. So how? So now the x is containing the index of a text. What is the index of text? This is the it. So what is the text here? The text containing a Bangalore is IT hub. The index of is what? It is a method, and it is going to be find the method of the sorry, index of a IT. Okay, so now I want to print a document dot write the index of string IT is plus X. Okay, control S. So just we'll go here. See that 13 it is printing. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So from the 13 index it is going to be starter the IT hub. So to find the index, so instead of IT, what I will do, I will search for the index of a hub. I will replace IT with the hub. Control S. We'll go here. See now it is a the 16 is there. Got it. The Bangalore is the IT hub. The index of a string IT is 16. Got it. So this is how it will works. Okay, that is the index. So then we are going to be find the same method. One more method it is we are going to be find the last index. So same method I will just use the last index of control S. We will go here, reload it. Okay, so here what happens? The last index. So what is the difference? Here it is showing a 16 only, and here also in the index of also 16 only. Yes, Bangalore. I will show you. Bangalore is the IT hub, and it is also hub for BT. Okay, Control S. See, if you see here, 35 is showing, but this is index of IT hub. So what does it mean? Okay, just a minute. I will just break the line. BR tag, Control S. If you just go here, see the index of a string IT hub is 35. Okay, why 35 in the sense? So we have two hubs, HUB and HUB. So we are going to be find the last index of a hub. The last, this is the first index and this is the last index. So here it is going to be find the a string value 35. Okay. So this is, see, index of what it is going to be. It is going to be give the initial value of a hub. The last index of it is going to be give the last hub. For the which word you have mentioned. Okay. So which word you have mentioned. So here two times is there. Index of means so it is going to be printed this index value, and the last index of means it is going to be, you may have a number of index hub words, but it is going to be find only the last index values. Okay, so this is called the first and last index. Okay, so now what we are going to do? So we are going to do the search method. So replace method we have already done. So we are going to be search. Okay, so now what I want to do? Let x1 equals to what to do? We are going to be search for the text. Where? In the variable text, text dot sarch search. Okay, then bracket. So let x1 equals to text dot search. Okay, let x1 equal to text dot search. Okay, so then what I want to do, I am going to be search the a specific text inside the this string. So I want to search for the Bangalore. Now the x1 value contain some value here. So x1 is a temporary variable. That variable contains like a text dot search. Okay, so text dot search, it is going to be search the text for the Bangalore. So then it going to be store the some value in x1. So that value we are going to be show here. Document dot write of x1, control S. if you just go here, yeah, I want to break the line. The line of x1 is control s. If you just show here, see 0. Why 0? Because the Bangalore is, sorry, the Bangalore, it is going to be start with the 0th location. So what I will do, I will search for the IT. I will just place the control s. The line of a, sorry, what is the line? The text search of x1. See, that is a 13 it is showing, because it is going to be count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 like that. So it is going to be search the text index. So this is called what we can say, uh, search. And you are going to be use one more method called so just instead of parenthesis, you can use this one as well. Okay, so that is a string pattern search is there, so we are not going a deeper way. Okay, so if you want, you can just go for the Mozilla JavaScript documentation, so you are going to be get all the details. Okay, there are string many like what you can say, many searches are there. Okay, and one more thing, we are going to be one more method, that is a include method. What is the include? So just exclude, I will take one temporary variable equals to where I want to do the operation for the text. What is the text? The text is containing this string. So I want to check for the include methods. So includes is a one more method. It will return a true or false of your condition. So what I want to do, I want to just tell that I am checking your text includes this string or not. Okay, so this is the text. Is it includes Bangalore or not? Okay, so it has to show the result. So here document dot write of the x2 is x2. The text search, not texts. The text includes method show true or false value. So here what it is going to do? So text. So this is the whole text includes Bangalore or not. See, the both the Bangalore it is matching. So now it has to be show the a boolean value. Now see, it is going to show the true value. Okay, so I will add some equals to here, control tru. See, true is there. So just what I will do, I will do Bangalore, control s. If we search here, no, false. See the spelling Bangalore, ben, okay, just Bangalore, this is the string, and here it contains a ba. Here also it's wrong, Bangalore. Okay, so is a IT hub, and it is also the hub of BT. Okay, so this is how, what we can say, uh, what you can say, this is a text string. Okay, this is the false, and now what we are going to do, so let x2 equals to text dot includes of Bangalore, it is going to be such the true or false. If it is a matches, if you want to see here IT, So still it is a true because the IT contains here. So still true. So if I just say IT software now, so this string is not there. Now it is a false. Okay. So this is called a what we can say uh, like true or false. Some of the Boolean case. And one more thing, it is telling that one more method is that let x3 is a temporary variable sorry text dot starts with okay text dot starts with hello world, something like that. Text dot starts with hello world. Control S. If I just go here, so I need to print the output, right? Copy, Control V. The text start with method show the true or false. The value x3 here we need to pass here. Control S. See, because the text starts with hello world. The text starts with the Bangalore here. So just I will paste Control S. See, now it is true. So here what is happening here? The text is our text string and start with the method and Bangalore. Yes, both the matches. Then it is the value is true. If you just change the Bangalore, control as false because it is going to be matched the every character of your specified text. Okay, so this is called a what you can say text starts with and with so many methods are there. Okay, so those are all the what you can say what you can say strings. Okay, so now we got to know. Okay, okay, text. So text or string. Now we are going with the numbers. So same example I will take with the one more file that is a index9.html and the doc control S. Just a minute. Okay. So what is the number? So number means that is integer number like mobile number or arithmetic numbers or something like that. Okay. So now what I want to do? Okay. So now uh, we are going to be define a numbers. Same. Let x equals to 100. This is called an integer number. Okay. And let y equals to 120 paisa. Okay, this is the number and this is the number with a decimal. Okay, so this is the just a number. This is the number with a decimal. Okay, okay. So here what happens? So I want to print a output. So what I will do, I will use a document dot write document dot write of x plus y. Control S, right click, open with the live server. Good. This is the 100 and a 100 and point. So when we are using decimal number, when we are using the integer number, it depends whether, see, you have like online billing applications. If you just going for the demand, so you have purchased at something called a 1,000 rupees 70 paisa. So there the y is taking a decimal value, integer with decimal. If you have a straightforward 1,000 rupees, so then it is going to be taken as a 1,000. Okay, so by variable, either you can store the number, normal integer number or a decimal number as well. Okay, so there is a like what you can say. Uh, Numbers is normal, like addition, subtraction you are doing, right? So if you want to print this one means how you are going to do. So here just x plus y. So x is 100 and this is the sorry 1,000. Y is 2,070 paisa. So total it is going to be print the sum value. So if you just go here, 2,000 rupees 7 paisa. Okay, so this is called the numbers. So where we are using, if you see all the your billing softwares, right? If you just go for the more or any like what I can say, big bazaar and all, so there you are going to be get the numbers. And one more thing, here it is a number is there. I have a one more thing called a let z equals to apple. See, this is the integer variable. This is the integer variable with the decimal number, and z is a string variable. If I do subtraction z, what is the output? Control S, not a number. When the not a number, see, 2 plus 2 is okay. 2 plus 2 plus apple means is there any meaning? No. So that's why it is showing a not a number. So because z is a string variable and this is integer variable. So string and integer you cannot collab. Okay. So this is all about the what just understand the number. Okay. Uh, and so many methods are there. So if you want to do just deeper way, so just go for the uh, numbers js in Mozilla. You are going to be get the this is the numbers and dates, all those thing methods. Okay, what is the number, decimal number? So these are all the different methods are there. These are all the different methods are there. Okay, number, max value, min value, not a number. So here it is a website is there different floor, seal, min, max, random. So many things are there. So we are going to be like what you can say such some of the methods. Okay, okay. So. Uh, So if you want to go for the minimum number, maximum number, random, round, seal, start, sign, cos, trigonometry and all you have done, right? So those you are going to be do here. Okay. So sine method is there, cos. So all the methods are there. So if you want to do deeper way, so just go here. Okay. The the official website of numbers. Okay. The next major topics we are going with the arrays. So majorly last class what I have told. So what is a variable? What is an object? Okay. And what is a function? So now the major thing will come called a array. So this is a very important, and throughout your life you are going to be deal with a this array, because you are going to be store the data in the array. See, last what happens? Last to last base, Royal Challengers Bangalore, they have won the cup. So all the your data is kept inside a one array. So that is what we are going to be defined here. So you want to show the 12 members cricketers name. How to store? So you are going to be, you cannot store like this. Let x equals to Virat, let y equals to Fab Duplessis, let z equals to uh, something, who is that another guy, something AB de Villiers something. Okay, so you cannot store like this. Instead of that one, what we are going to use, the constant crick array is one variable, or else cricketers equals to array control x Virat control x arrays control x, like this. So instead of taking the three variable, so I have created a one variable, so that is array variable, it is going to be stored this one. Then what is the array? So array is a something which can hold the value with a similar type of a data. What is a similar type here? So Virat, Fab Duplessis names. So this is a one similar name details. So if you want to add mobile number, mobile number, mobile number. So array is a one thing. So it's a variable which can hold a more than one value. See, always we are going to be store the similar value, or else you, if you want to do multiple or different types of data, then we are going with the what you can say uh, array of objects. Okay, okay. So we got to know, right? So you cannot use a let x equals to without let y equal to fab duplessis, let z equals to ab developer. So instead of that one, we have used one variable. So special variable, it is going to be store the value. So you can store the all the 10 variables, 10 names or 100 names, whatever the names. So then what is the index means? So this index will be 0, 1, 2. But total value is 3, but index is 2 because it is going to be start with a 0. Okay. So now here what we are going to do. So this is the one array. So if you want to print the array, how to do? So document dot write of sorry. So cricketers CRI, here also I will do CRI. So cricketers, right click, see here, it is going to be print the Virat, Virat Fab Duplessis AB developers. Okay, so this is how it is going to be a print. Okay, constant cricketers Virat Fab Duplessis AB developers. Document dot write, so cricketers is a one. Okay, so now what we are going to do, so this is how it is going to be print. So if you want to show more details, so just I will do here. I told that the if you see as a see if you see as a here is a three values are there. When it's count index, here is a 2. I will show here. Right click, inspect, we'll go to the console. See here, total items are length is a 3, but index is 2. Why? Because it is going to be start with a 0, 1, 2. So what is the this is the index value is a 2, total length is a 3. Why? Because it is going to be start with a specific element. So now I want to find a only AB developers to be printed. So cricketers of, so here it is for the 0th location. Here is a Fab Duplessis for the 1st location. This is the 2nd location. Just I need to pass the two value. It is going to be print the AB developers. Okay, so this is called a what we can say uh, JavaScript arrays to fetch the element. So you are using the array name with the index value. So now what I want to do, so we have created a variable. Now I want to create a object using the new keyword, array of object. So how to create? So first I will take a one array bracket. I will take the same values only. Control C, Control V. Then here we are using the new. So here let, okay. So I have taken a, so crick is an a variable, sorry, a variable. When you use a new operator, automatically it will become an object. See, keep in mind, whenever the new will come, so object is, it is for the object creation. Here, constant cricketers is a one thing. Here, let crick is there. This is a variable. Until and unless they have defined a new, then automatically it has become a object. That object contains the Virat, Fab duplexes, ABWS. Okay, so this is how it is going to be work. So now here what I want to do. So let cr crix new array Virat Fab duplexes is there. So now what I want to do. So I want to like what we can see print this one. So here CLZ CRI C. See this cricketers is it is going to be print the index of 2. Now we'll see what it will print. Right click, inspect, console. See here, Virat Fab 2 plus C. Okay, so if you want to see index 9, 19th location. See this is the 19th location. It is going to be printer the object values. Okay, so if you want a specific element, so again same thing. So click off. If you want a Virat means, so just pass the value index, not a value, index value. So that is a 0. Now it is going to be print the Virat. See, index of 2 is ABWS, index of 0 is a Virat. So this is how it is going to be work. Okay, now I want to change the array element. How? We have a correct array. That array name is Virat Fab duplexes ABWS is there. So what I will do in the location of uh, KRIKS, so, sorry, in the crick array at the location of 1, at the crick of 1, crick is array. What is the location 1? It contains, this is a Fab duplexes. Okay, so here what I will do, I will add a one more player. That player is something Warner. Okay, so then again I want to print a CLG means console.log. So key CRI script control S will go here. See here. Earlier it is what? Here it is the Fab duplexes. Okay, I will print here. So before assigning a value, CLG CRI, crick. Control S. If I just go here, what is stop people deactivate breakpoint? See here. Earlier, what Virat, Fab du Plessis, AB de Villiers is there. So what I have done, I have added a Warner at the location of 1. So what is the crick? The crick is an array. At the crick of 1 is what? Crick of 0 is Virat, crick of 1 is Fab du Plessis. In the Fab du Plessis, so we have replaced with a Warner. Okay, so this is called the changing the array elements. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to be converting a array to the string variable. Okay, so what is the variable? This is the type is of array of string. So we are going to be convert to the normal string value. So how to do this one? So here k okay, let z equals to uh, what is the array? My array name is crick. To string, so crick of to string method. CLZ, the conversion is, the string conversion is, what is this one? Yeah, plus Z, control S. See, now it is a normal string value. So here it is a array value, it is printing like this in the square bracket. So if it is a string means it is going to be normal string value. Got it? So you can do vice versa. So converting the, so array means what? It is a floor bracket will come, sorry, square bracket will come, and a string means normal string. It is going to be printed. Okay, so same thing. If you want to access with the, you are going to be uh, what you can say, fetch the element means as an object, so you need to pass the object name and property name, so that is also possible is there. So if you want to loop through an array, so let's say this is how it is there. We have a, let's say RCB player list 2024. Okay, so where is the list? We are not finding any list here. Lock. Okay, Fab Duplessis is there, Virat Kohli. So, okay, I'm not finding the list properly here. So if you find the names means, so we are going to be copy all those names. So then console.log, this string conversion is Z. Okay, so here, what if I want to loop through? I will add a some more names. Okay, this is the array is there. Some more name is, let's say, Maxwell. Maxwell is there, and someone is called Yes, the and some more is Dinesh Karthik. Okay, so I have added some names here. So I want to loop through this one. Okay, so I want to loop through in an array. So how to loop through an array? First, what I will do, let strlen is a one variable. So cricketers dot length. The first I want to find the length of the array. So if I just show the document dot write of strlen, so it contains the length count because cricketers is an array, length is a method. So this whole method it is going to be give the number of the length of the array. So just control S. If you just see here, the length is 6. Why? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Index is 5, but length is 6. If I just forget about index, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cricketers are there. But if you index is 0, sorry, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have found the length that is the 6. Okay, the next I want to loop through an array. So how? Let txt equals to bracket, and we are going to be add a ul tag. So what is a ul tag? So that is a unordered list. Okay, so then for is a one type of a loop which is going to be loop through the data. Okay, so I will use a let I equals to 0, I less than strlen. What is the strlen? It contains the total length. What is the increment? Increment by 1. Okay, then txt plus equals to, now we are going to be print within a individual li. Okay, so what is the individual li? So it is going to be print the what you can say the list item. So plus, then what is the cricketers of I? What is the I? Here it is the I index value. Okay, plus double. So here it is the starting of li, end of li. So then we are going to be print a document dot get element by id of demo is I am going to be take a one variable dot inner html equals to, see that is a not txt, it is a text. So here I want to define a demo h1 hash demo. Control S. If I just go here, see here the Virat Fab Duplessis. So here what happens? It is going to be looped through here. For, so for is a what? It is going to be loop. You no need to worry. What is the loop in the sense? It is keep on iteration. You have 60 member students in your class. Every day they are going to be called the each number and each ESN name, right? So that is called a loop. Loop means what? Continuously happening round. Or else you can say loop means what? Round, round. You are going to be round for the temple, right? So that is called a loop. 7 rounds, 10 rounds, 15 rounds, like that. So for I equals to 0, I less than strlen, I plus plus, text plus equals to li, cricketers of I. This is how it is going to be printed. Okay, so this is a what you can say. This is a string value. Okay, so looping an array. Okay, so now we are going to be discussing some of the array methods here. Okay, so this is the array looping is happened. So now I want to push the element. So this is already, it is the array is there. I want to push the element. So how to push? So here cricketers dot push off. What is the new name? One more name. I think Vaishak Kumar. Something Vaishak Kumar. So here what happens? I will just cut here. I will print here. Normal earlier it is up to Karthik is there. When I added a Vaishak Kumar, so now it is going to be display the Vaishak Kumar as well. Yeah. So what is happening here means the concurrently it is going to be display the all the values Virat Fab to plus C Magda, it is there. Okay. So first what I will do, the cricketers dot push. Okay. So now I want to print here document dot write of control C control V control S. See here Virat, Fab Duplessis, AB Doubles, Maxwell, Ash, Dayal, Dinesh Karthik, and Vaishak Kumar. Okay, so why it is printing, why it is not printing in the sense? So immediately it is calling simultaneously. That is why it is not printing. So push also it is happening simultaneously. Looping also happening simultaneously. So that's why it is not printing here. Okay, so like that we are going to be learn tomorrow